Would you recommend car camping to families talaga?
Strongly recommended kasi at least makikita mong in-effort mo yung bit-bitin sila doon, dalhin sila doon. So, syempre yung mga kids, pag nagkwentuhan yan, oh, we went to camping, ganyan-ganyan, diba? So, curious din yung batang kinausap niya.
Yeah.
So, mag-end up, sabihin niya, Daddy, let's go camping. Yung classmates ko, nagka-camping, mga ganyan-ganyan. So, I think it's a good way of family bonding din.
Yeah.
So meron kasi kaming isang episode na sinama ko lahat ng kapatid ko and lahat ng yung pamilya din nila, pamilya. Tapos parents namin nandun din. So one group of Shornax was there. So natuwa lang kami kasi talagang walang internet. So kwentuhan maghapon, luto ng pagkain, ihaw ng pagkain, inom ka ng gusto mong drinks. Tapos nagpark kami ng isang sasakyan sa ilog. Tapos may shade. Tapos nandun yung mga bata.
Galaro lang sila.
Oversee lang namin sila. Pinayaan lang namin sila doon. So actually, the car camping and the overlanding is activity for family.
Family.
Oh, priority family. Second na lang, the friends. Siyempre,